Hey guys, welcome back. Sam Gates. Today we are going to update from a Windows 7 to a Windows 10. As you can see, this computer has a lot of clutter all around every corners. So what we're going to do is clean it first before we do an install. So we'll just go to PC, or computer I guess it was called back a million years ago, and we'll search for things like MP3 to find music files, and then we'll do the same to PDF files and image files and so on and so forth. And we will copy them to a USB I have here and organize it that way. And once we have everything that she wants off this computer and onto the USB, we will install Windows 10. So once we have the computer all cleaned, what we're going to do is we're going to take our Windows flash drive. If you have any questions about that, just watch my video on how to do a clean install of Windows 10. So we plug in our Windows 10 Pro USB. And we're going to power off or restart and press F2 to get into the BIOS. And once we're here, move the arrow over to boot, and we find the USB. And if you see over here, it says to press F6 to move it up. So we'll press X6. And once it's up, we can go ahead and exit. Exit, save changes. Yes. And so we're using a 64-bit. So we'll hit enter. If you only downloaded the 64-bit, it won't ask you. I have both versions installed for a flash. Give that a minute to load. So you see it's loading there. And just go ahead and choose the options. For us, it's going to be English Canada. There we go, US keyboard. And we can click the install button now. I like to always do a clean install. So what I'm going to do is press Shift F10. So Shift and F10. and you will see the screen come up. Type in disk part, and it will load. Once you get disk parts, if you're doing a clean install, you can select disk 0, which is mostly what laptops have. If you're doing this on a desktop, you might want to type in list disk, and then you can see all your drives. So the disk 1 we have the USB flash drive. So we only have one disk in there, one drive. So select disk 0. Disk 0 is now selected. Now we're going to type in clean to delete it, or to format it, I guess. Now it says cleaned. We're going to hit exit and exit again. And then go over to click install. And then we'll go ahead and push in your key number, or if you want the free version of Windows Pro, you can click I don't have a key, or if you don't have it on you, you're doing this for a customer and they can put in their product key number later. So we're going to go ahead and install Windows 10 Pro. Click next. Accept. And next. And we'll go here just to make sure that the window has been cleaned, the drive, sorry. So it has been cleaned. And we'll just click next. And give that a minute to load. So once that's almost done, you want to be ready to take out your flash drive, because we have it set to start up using this. So it will just go back to the install page. As you can see, it's done lighting up. It's not using the flash drive anymore. So once it boots off or restarts, we're going to pull the USB, and now we are going to pull it. There we go. So just remove that and let it start up. Our second boot option was to boot from CD, but we don't want to do that. And give it a while to load up again. So we got to a lighter blue screen here, saying just a moment. Give it some more time. All right, so now we're going to set up our new Windows 10 and just follow the steps through. I won't be connecting to a network right now. and we are going to connect with limited setup. You just type in the username and we'll create a password, and then confirm your password. Click next, answer a few security questions, and just choose whatever options you guys want. For us, we're going to choose all the top ones. If you want more privacy, you would choose all the down ones. So we're going to install an insider program. So it actually needs to send required and optional diagnostics data to get the insider program. You can say accept or not now. We're going to go not now, as well as we are going to do a remove bloatware. So we're going to remove all the garbage from this computer, and Cortana is one of them. So give that a minute to load, and there's your new Windows 10 from Windows 7 here on your Aspire. Don't forget to click subscribe button down below for more upcoming videos.